Okay, this the scoop, y'all. This the scoop. This the scoop. Okay, this the scoop, right? My man, I asked my man like a couple days ago, say, damn, yo, I'm short of food, yo. You know what I'm saying? Help me out. You know what I mean? He look out for me. You know what I'm saying? Bought me some cereal, milk. This nigga got a nerve to throw 32 pieces of chicken away for some black-ass cats that's running around this motherfucking projects. 32 pieces of chicken. And wasn't nothing wrong with these motherfuckers. And he throw them away. And y'all know, I know y'all heard this growing up, yo. Throwing away food is a sin, yo. Look at that chicken, good as a motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Look at it.
Midnight gotta eat.
Fuck a midnight. Fuck a cat. Fuck a midnight.